Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to create a geometric design animation like this using very few lines of JavaScript code. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe it and hit the bell button so that you can get the notification whenever I post a new video. Now let's start coding. I have two blank files here. One is HTML file which is index.html and another one is JavaScript file which is index.js. First I'll create a canvas and call my JavaScript file in my index.html file. That's all the HTML code that we need. Now I'll code JavaScript. First we need a constant, let's say CVS, to hold our canvas and another constant for the canvas context. Width and height of 800 pixels. And let's display the canvas in the center horizontally. Now I need a main function and another function to draw the circles. Let's first call the main function and the main function will call the circle function. To draw a circle, we need the radius of the circle, and since we are going to create a lot of different circles whose center coordinates will be on the circumference of the first circle, we need distance from the center and we need an angle. For the first circle, these should be 0. The center coordinates can be calculated using the circle equation. Now to draw the circle on the canvas, we need to have ctx.beginPath, ctx.arc, x, y, radius, 0, 2 times math.py, ctx.stroke and ctx.closePath. Now let's save this and check it on the browser. So here is our first circle. Now all the other circles' center will be on the circumference of this circle. Let's call circle again and give distance from circle as 200 and angle of 60 degrees. Now you can see the second circle here. If the angle was 0 degrees, then the circle would have been here. Now let's create the third circle with 60 degrees angle. Fourth circle with 120 degrees angle. Another circle with 240 degrees angle. We can see the circles. So to create more circles, we just need to change the value of the angle. And obviously, if we want to draw 100 circles, then we are not going to write this line of code 100 times. I will use recursion here. So let's delete all these from here and call circle from within itself. We just need to change the angle. Let's say angle plus math.py by 2, which is 90 degrees. And we need to have a break condition for this recursion. So let's say if the angle is greater than 360 degrees, then return. So here we have 4 circles on top of our center circle. Now if we change the angle to 60 degrees, then we will have 6 circles like this. The design is actually called the seed of life. So now we know that if we keep changing the angle in the recursive call, then we can have different designs. So if we have a variable, let's say divider, and let's make it a global variable with very low value, let's say 0.1. And in our main function, let's say if the divider is less than 24, then divider should increase by 0.1. And let's call our main function again here. And we need to clear the canvas now before every frame. So ctx.clearRect 0,0 canvas.width, canvas.height. Let's check it now. Now by changing the value of the divider variable, we can have a very low number of circles like this and a very huge number of circles like this. Let's see what will happen if we double that number now. This is a very interesting design which is made only by circles. Personally, I like the design when this value is 24. Now, if you notice that it took only 24 lines of code to make this. That's it guys. If you like the video then please hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video.